Pouring water through the drain line while running a vacuum uses added fluid force to break up and flush stubborn gunk that suction alone cannot remove. When dealing with advanced drain cleaning, combine suction and hydraulic action for the best results. Position the shop vacuum at the access tee and create a tight seal around the hose to maximize negative pressure. Then rapidly pour a gallon of water through the access tee indoors so the moving column of water carries loosened debris toward the vacuum and out of the line. Use water that is warm but not boiling to avoid damaging plastic pipes and to help dissolve grease without risking burns. If you encounter a severe clog, repeat the rapid pour 1 to 3 times rather than a single slow stream, because momentum is what breaks compacted material apart. Always monitor the vacuum canister and filters for accumulation and stop to empty before suction efficiency drops. For long runs or vertical sections, pour from a height of at least 1 foot above the tee to increase flow momentum, and consider using a narrow spout container so the flow is concentrated. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep a bucket handy to catch backflow in case the clog momentarily shifts rather than evacuates. Common problems include creating a partial dislodge that shifts debris but does not fully evacuate it, which you fix by repeating the rapid pour combined with brief bursts of vacuum and checking downstream cleanouts. Another issue is overflowing at fixtures because the water has nowhere to go, which you prevent by isolating affected branches and testing one branch at a time, or by having someone run the downstream fixture to confirm flow. A third concern is damaging older or fragile pipes when pouring too much water too quickly, which you avoid by starting with a smaller rapid pour and inspecting joints and pipe condition before applying forceful hydraulic action. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, troubleshooting steps, and local recommendations related to drain cleaning and other home projects.